Hey guys, let's have a look at the Samsonite CubeLite. So I've actually had this one for, I think, 12 years now in my possession. And it still looks good. I mean, you can sit on this, you can throw it on the floor, and basically nothing will happen to it. Okay, let's just open this one up. Okay, if you look at this one, you've got covers on both sides. So one is mesh and this one actually is closed. And as you can notice, you've got pockets here. You can put stuff here, documents, newspapers, or whatever. And let's see if we open this one up. You also got these straps, which is good to hold your clothes when you're in there. And also you got like this extra pocket inside, so you could stash, I don't know, your valuables, keys, passport, whatever. It's got a lot of space. This is the 76 centimeter one. So there is one that is bigger, but this is for me perfect. All right, this is the Samsonite CubeLite. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Till next time.